Hey guys, so in this video, you'll be coming along with us in our recent Norwegian road trip to the west of Norway. We drove from Oslo to Rekdal, where we rented a vacation house for 4 days, and within that 4 days, we drove to Geiranger, Trollstigen, Ålesund and Atlanterhavsveien. Those were the 4 famous places that we managed to go to, but there's still a lot more famous places in that region, but we didn't have the time and the energy to visit every place. But nevertheless, we wanted to share to you guys our experience and excitement that we had during this trip. So enjoy the video.
Hello, so the time right now is 5:29, so we're about to leave, as you can see. Those two. Yeah. Oh, the forehead.
We're here at Trollstigen, or as the English people call it, the Troll's Path. Trollstigen Resort. Now, that was the plan. However, it is, as you can see from that sign over there, it is actually closed. It was a failed attempt, but nevertheless, we're happy. Why? Because we got our pictures.
Yeah. Hey guys, after trying to go to Trollstigen, we are now on our way to the house that we're going to stay at for the next 4 days. So it's about 100 kilometers away, so about 1 hour drive. So the plan is we're gonna go to the house, unpack our things and then eat. And then later I think we're gonna go out to find something to do here in the west of Norway, or maybe sightsee more, because there's a lot of beautiful views and sceneries here in the west of Norway. It's really amazing.
We've just arrived at our house that we'll be staying in for the next 4 days, and while my mom is still preparing the food for the family, I would like to show you around. So I'll be showing you guys first the kitchen. Here is the dining table. Here's one view of the lake outside of the house. And here is my mom making sweet and sour fish.
La salmon.
So this is the living room. where everyone is living right now. And my brother will accompany me to the upstairs. There are actually 3 floors: the basement, the first floor, and the second floor. And right now we're at the second floor, which has two bedrooms. And this is the first bedroom. The first bedroom, which has 2 beds. I think my parents will be sleeping here. And my brothers and I will be sleeping in this place. They will be sleeping here, and I will be sleeping right here. We had a very long day. We started at 5 a.m. for the drive. Then we came here at like 3 p.m., 4 p.m. And it's just now we're trying to relax and start to prepare for the next day. Morning, guys. It's day 2 here in Rekdal, in our hytta, our vacation house. We just ate breakfast. It's pølse and egg. It's egg and hot dogs. And now we're preparing, waiting for everyone. Going to Geiranger. Geiranger fjord is a famous fjord here in Norway. Also, the place there is very beautiful. So, but if you don't know how it looks like, but then we're here to show you guys. So please continue to watch.
Hey guys, here we are, still on the way to Geiranger, and we're taking a ferry right now because it's the only way to get there. I think it's the only way to get there. Yeah, so we came from that place, and then we're going to the other side of the fjord. Yeah, and after that we're gonna drive a little bit more, and then we'll reach Geiranger. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Okay, everybody, we're here. We reached our destination in Geiranger. So, guys, yay! Iko tayo. So, ito po siya.
Du må si at du har leid Geiranger. Du har leid den. Det er vår.
Yes. So, ganito pong itsura niya sa baba. Pero, may mga viewing point po sa taas. And we're gonna show you guys. So, stay tuned. Now, there's another place that we wanted to show you guys. Here in Ålesund, it's
called the Fjellstua, and yeah, it's just better to show you guys. Ta-da!